Hey, what's up, Contrarian Mindset? Yo, what's going on, Lucas? I saw your comment yesterday. You completed that FTMO challenge? Hourly W. Hourly W. Is this shit gonna... That's the highs yesterday. Hell yeah, very nice, Lucas. There'll still be some good opportunities here, Contrarian, today. I swear I gotta start taking more trades right on my gut right away. As I woke up, as soon as I looked at the charts, I pulled up the hourly and basically drew this W right away. I took a $500 trade the other day. Yesterday I closed 500. 502 on this trade here. I got out at the top because I noticed that shit was gonna drop from an M. But I actually should have entered the sell on that. Hey, what's going on, Triton Hamilton? Doing pretty good, Profit Trader. I think we're done. We are done recovering from Christmas. No, I did not check any of that. This $500 trade I actually hedged. I put in it was Monday morning. I put in a sell. Put in a sell right here, but I also put in a buy in case it ran, and it worked out. Hey, what's up, Marlo? No, I do not trade. I don't trade many forex pairs, but it's kind of weird because I do have some good trades on forex pairs. But I've just been focused on NASDAQ. All right, it might be a sell opportunity though. Look at these wicks. Could be a sell right now back to open. But there's no divergences or anything. Yeah, I'm bracing myself for the crypto winter. I would have liked to see a little bit more for me to put that sell in. Yeah, thanks for the comment there, Trent. Appreciate it. I'm glad I'm motivating you. I think I will sell if it does retest up here to possible M, but that might not happen because we got open price right here. It easily retest right here. But I want to see some shit like up here. If we make new highs, we'll have divergence right away. Question is, will we get that spike back up right here? This would be my sell area if we retest up here. I think it would have already retested the open if it wanted to, because a lot of... Gotta wait. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I want to risk 100 on this. We retest up there though. Fuck, no M today. Just straight retest. Straight retest. Marlowe, usually just 1 minute. 1 minute. But I do use the hourly for like bigger zones. Yeah, I'll take a look at that. Holy fuck, hold on. What just happened? Huge Kangaroo Tail. With divergence. No, is there? We got some trickery going on right now. Instant retest of the open, then instant rejection. Interesting. This coin SOS looks like it's going down. Yep, what's going on? What's going on, Mo Tyrant? It's been a while. I'm back to the stream. I can see not many people are trading this week because we only got 18 people on stream today. At least at this time. I wonder if we can still consider that as an M pattern because it rejected so fast. Give me a Kangaroo Tail though. Is it? To pull the trigger now. No, it's not time to enter the trade yet. Fuck that. Patience right now. A lot of tempting moves happening. And if we make new highs, we gotta pay attention to this area right here on the orange. Hmm. Five minutes. I could hedge the shit like I did yesterday or Monday. I mean, it worked out. I put a buy in, I put a smaller sell in. Because we're either gonna retest up here or retest down here. And I'm down to hedge. Yeah, there's really no clear signal that's a problem, Tyrant. I guess to help filter shit out, the only time I should enter a sell is if we get a really good Kangaroo Tail this morning. Because there's a lot of, I mean, right now I see a lot of tempting buys, a lot of tempting sells. Is anyone in a trade yet? I think it's a valid M. I think we can consider when these wicks go this fast, we can still count this as an M. That's just weird though. We don't. Most of the M's we see do not have a wick like that. My M was my first analysis. On 30 minute, huh? Take a look at that. Dude, speaking of Kangaroo Tails, we got a 15-minute. Okay, check this out. We got 53 seconds. We have bearish divergence on the 15-minute with a possible bearish Kangaroo Tail forming, but it's got to close like this in 40 seconds. Oh shit, no, it's not going to be one officially. Like it's in such a weird spot on the 1 minute. Kangaroo Tail. We got Divergence on the... Okay, we have 1 minute Kangaroo and 15 minute. Stop loss fucking sucks here on the 1 minute though. It's a horrible stop loss. We got 2 wicks. I might have to be willing to take a $150 loss here within seconds. Not a good stop loss. You just got in the cell? Tyrant, are you in the cell? Alright, I'm gonna jump in finally. I don't like the stop loss. I don't like it, but I will enter the Kangaroo. Not bad, about $80. About $80, and if we break out, it'll be good. Yep. Let's see if we can make $100 real quick. See, but on the hourly, we are hitting some pretty good support on the hourly. But I mean, look at that. Look at that hourly wick. Stop loss wise it is, or stop loss wise it is pretty tight. And that's what I mean too. There's especially when so many traders are seeing this shit, they see breakout. Just be prepared. We can easily be faked out right here. Zuhairi, you already hit fucking TP? Good shit. Another Kangaroo. That's looking good. Alright, let's say if this does break out, the next zone, right down here. That was a nice Kangaroo yesterday, earlier. I think a stop hunt is coming. Stop hunts are coming. Son of a bitch. They got me. They got me. Yep, knew it. Was kind of suspicious about that, you know? Was very, very suspicious about that. We definitely just got fucking smoked by the banks. Ugh, I slightly FOMO sold that too. Slightly. Yeah. 5-minute KT. I'd be very cautious in entering another trade very soon. Be cautious. I took an $80 hit there. I think the biggest clue there was that hourly though. Damn, I did not notice this, but the high of the day had bearish divergence. And then drop. Okay, that makes sense why the heavy drop came. Problem was, we recognized the drop was coming too late. Too late. And if any of you review this stream, go back and rewind it to this point, where I was like, you know what, maybe we can consider this as an M and ignore this wick right here because it rejected so fast. So we were right. We were right that it was going to drop. We were just 1, 2, 3, 4. We were 5 minutes too late in recognizing it. It's easy to say hindsight that I would have entered the sell immediately. So the divergence, boom. Yeah, that was the move. I mean, technically, if you're only going for 1 hour, that could be a winning trade, but obviously for me, I'm going for 2 or 3 hours there. It was still worth the shot. I think on this indicator I need to add a regular, just when divergences pop up without Kangaroo Tails, we need to know that shit. In the heat of the moment, it's hard. I mean, you can have a trading plan, but in the heat of the moment, you might forget a small detail to do real quick. I mean, after all, it's called Roo version, so technically we don't always need to have a Kangaroo Tail for divergence. Check some news. Goldman Sachs. Inflation will get worse. Yes, no shit.
Get away with our best deals of the season at the Hyundai Getaway Sales Event. Get
Oh, the 5-minute chart looks so ugly right now. Let's not forget too, we still have this 15-minute bearish divergence. We also have, okay, that's interesting. We have hourly bearish divergence too. From here to here. I might take another bullet here. Might take another shot. But I have a bigger stop loss, like above here. Yeah. I'm down to if I want to risk. Do I want to risk? My bias is heavy towards sells right now. There's just no entry. Good morning, iBob. Well, iBob, there was only one opportunity this morning, but I recognized it too late. Just one, it was right here. It was this candle here was the only sell. Or these two wicks here. Divergence, drop. We've gotten good 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. Kangaroo Tail. I'll not open. Too late, I'm too late. I don't really want to buy that candle. Just because of where we're at right now. If you get 2 hours, I should have to retest up there. I don't know, you tell me. Anybody take this buy? Pretty sure that's a risky buy though. Look at that fake out. Definitely why I didn't want to enter that buy. That was definitely a fake out right there. I mean, boom. Yeah, I think the sell's worth a shot as long as you got your stops over here. I guess for me to enter another trade, I need to see something up here. Yeah, I got up late a little bit yesterday, and then Monday, I didn't think the markets were open. You haven't hit your break even? Thing is looking pretty sexy for sells now. Well, that trend line. There's so much support down here. And it's 2 days before New Year's. I mean, do the banks got enough power to just... Okay. Hold on a minute. Massive fake out coming, I think. Massive fake out coming, I think. I don't know, it just seems odd that... It just seems very odd right now. My bias is I don't think it is going to drop anymore. I think this shit is going to fake some sellers out right now and head back up here. But do I got enough willpower to enter the buy right there right now? $100 risk. I could risk like 50 for like 200 if I do. I think this is a W now though. Wicks, we got lows down there. We're on hourly support. We're on hourly support. All right. I'll put in a small buy. I'll risk 35 for 180. No, it's okay. 38. I'll risk 38 for 180. Well, fuck me. Slightly annoyed, but not too bad. It's only $38. I'll tell you why I bought though. Obviously I thought it was gonna be a W and a fake out sell. That's what I thought. We gotta start doing stream sentiments too. Put a poll up. Phone go. How millions of jobless Americans can afford to ditch work. I guess I'll read this shit.
A simple task. Kate Santangelo picks up her 7-year-old daughter Grace from school, something she's waited years to do. Do you recall?
Not loading.
How often you were able to pick your daughter up from school?
Oh my gosh, never.
But that all changed in April. She quit her 15-year career in sales to be home full-time with her kids.
I was working endless hours and traveling a lot.
If COVID didn't happen, do you think that you still would have quit your job?
No, I think I'd still be there. Yeah, without a doubt.
She's one of millions quitting the workforce in recent months. A record 4.4 million quits in September. It's being called the Great Resignation.
It's called being the great herd of lazy motherfuckers. Lazy motherfuckers that can't even put cheese on a hamburger at a fast food place. Oh man.
We had so much.
4 million people quit their job, huh?
In our homes and spending time with.
You know, just look at that. Just read the title. Quit her job in April. I mean, that says it all.
With, people that we live with and.
I mean, why can't you just quit your job and like be an online entrepreneur and learn to trade shit? Learn to trade. Even if it takes 4 or 5 years. You got some tweezer action, huh? Tweezers on. Yeah. Still looking choppy though.
Just shifting.
She founded Monmouth Moms, a resource guide for parents.
It allows me to take off if I need to bring, my kids to the doctor.
She founded Monmouth Moms.
Oh, she actually did create a website. Okay.
It allows me to take off if I need to bring.
So she did quit her job, but she did start a website. Okay.
Offer more flexibility in
So
terms of
so
when
she
I
is
can
not a
take
lazy
off.
fuck.
That's our RV. So that's our RV. You got the background.
Scott and Mary Banks retired early this September at 57 and 59 respectively, and are road tripping across the country.
Packed up, strapped down.
Packed up and got oh shit. NASDAQ. Well, I'm missing the party with y'all. All aboard. TPs will hit. While I will remain down 108 for the morning. Yep. Failed. Officially going down. Officially going down. Hi, Vobsy. What's your opinion? I think it's too late for me to enter the sell, though. If I enter now, the FOMO sell. Son of a bitch, so. W failed. Next zone is. See, that's one thing I have a weakness in, okay? After my M's or W's fails, I'm like, shit. So I gotta find a way how I'm gonna combat that. Like when my shit fails and just heads the other way. See, like right now, it just feels like fucking FOMO if I sell. Like I just gotta accept it. I missed it. I'm happy for y'all that are in it, but I'm kind of jealous. Kind of jealous. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta like on Monday. I've on Monday. Let me pull this up. On Monday, I actually hedged. So let me go to this. It's actually going to be a good trade breakdown. All right. So right here, this is Monday. Monday's M. Okay, I marked this shit up. I had a trend line. I put in a sell. Okay, I put in a sell right here. Where did I put the sell in? Okay, yeah. So right here, after the M broke out, I waited. I was like, no, there's a Kangaroo with Divergence. There was consolidation. So right here is like, it's looking like a good sell. I put the sell in, okay? I put the sell in. But I also put a smaller buy in because it's like, I've seen NASDAQ do this over and over after a failed M. Usually the rest of the morning, it's just going to keep trending. So put in my sell, put in my buy. Had my buy way up there. Obviously, I got stopped on the sell, but because of that, I was able to let it run, and I got out up here. So I gotta do that more where I'm hedging. That way, it don't matter if I'm losing 100 on that. I know I got a big runner coming, and vice versa. I could have done the same thing on the W today. Like this. So that last buy I took, when I took the buy, I mean, based on what I did on Monday, I should have also entered the sell and have a runner. So I think I am noticing it. I sold it a little late. I'll show you. Was this one? So right here, I sold up here because of there was some divergence. There was some pretty nice divergence too. I'll put the sell in, put the buy, and it worked out. Thinking I need to do more of that because we see it. See NASDAQ trend after those failed M's and W's. And today, I mean, I was in the sell, but I wasn't satisfied where my stop was, obviously. All good though. I'm putting in the hours. Get better 1% every day. Actually, it's not. Probably not getting better 1% every day. It's probably getting better 1/4% every day. I look at it. My God, US30. Oh my God, look at the top there. Fuck. Here's where the kangaroos were this morning on US30. My God. That, oh my God. That's really, really good divergence. Yeah, I think I need to start looking at US30 again. I mean, there's the M I'm looking for. We need to have a designated person in stream that is typing. Somebody needs to type when we get some US30 setups, since I'm mainly focused on NASDAQ. See, how many R's could you have gotten out of that? You do optimal Kangaroo Tail entry, stop loss. Yeah, shit. Consolidation. US30 is looking like an Instagram model this morning and shit. All those fucking huge moves, y'all. I mean, I could max it out, maybe do 3 charts. No, that's 3 charts is too much. Or 6 charts, you gotta. US30 flew. Well, we know NASDAQ is gonna test this area. I mean, is there going to be any kind of retrace move up here to give you a potentially another entry? What do you guys think sounds better? Roo FX or Kangaroo Hunter? Or Kangaroo FX? I think it's time to rebrand. Kind of. Is this a break and retest right here? Breaks, retest. You do got this trend line though above here. More bearish divergence just showed up. You know what? It might have to fill this area, right? Right where this support is. When it broke out. I mean, is it going to come up and touch this trend line? I think it's going to go up and touch the trend line. Yo guys, I will be right back. Bathroom break. Right. Not much happened. Let's see if I use the stop loss that I didn't want to use, which was the 15-minute way up here. Really not the best risk reward. Minimum 2 hours would be down here though. You know what? Maybe I do need to start entering smaller lots, but bigger stops on like 15 minutes and shit. Oh, almost trend line. Almost to the trend line. But we got a kangaroo right here. I was researching some places to move to. I want to move to a better time zone than California for trading. I was looking at Arizona. Arizona is 1 hour ahead of here, so I get the luxury of leaping an extra hour. And this place I was looking at to move, it had this fucking zoo. It had this zoo with the kangaroo walkabout. I'm like, shit, all I need is Wi-Fi, and I can do a stream with some fucking kangaroos. And they let you fucking walk around with them. Yeah, I would take my laptop there, and we would do a stream of kangaroos. Shit would be hilarious. If any of you have a kangaroo walkabout zoo, and if you take a video with it, I'll give you $100. I will give any of you first person to go take a picture with a kangaroo out there local zoo. Give you $100. But you gotta be flashing the MetaTrader app next to that kangaroo. Selfies with the roo. $100 challenge. Is now the time to sell off? Looking very tempting for a sell right now. All its consolidation. No, if I enter sell, I'll go bigger. Bitcoin not looking good. 40K retest coming. I'm glad I did sell off 25% of my or 20% of my Bitcoin here at 55. I sold 20% off right here. I'm glad I did. Nobody believed me that the drop was coming of all my closer friends. I knew they had more money. One guy told me Bitcoin is going to be $250,000 by the end of December. I'm like, motherfucker, we're not even at 60K, and you still think we're going to 200,000? Kangaroo just popped. With bullish divergence? Wait, where's this bullish divergence? I don't see this. There is bullish. Yeah. There is bullish divergence right there. You can clearly see it. You know, I've always wondered, why would people want to buy followers? Fake followers don't pay you. One real viewer beats 100 fake viewers. Wrong thing. Yep, Mo. Well, we finally touched the trend line after watching it for like 25 minutes, which was pretty torturous. Gotta admit, that was not fun. Well, I might take one here, Ibob. Get this candle. Actually, I should prepare for a sell if that does. Okay. Yeah. There is some bearish divergence. We have about 10 seconds to think clearly. But it has to wick down, obviously. That's a super bullish candle, fuck. But look what we have. This will be, I think it will be 100% sell if it closes as what I'm looking for. But candle is pretty strong. Did somebody say earlier it was like, get to fill this area for like imbalances or whatever? Because it definitely filled. Definitely filled. Oh, there's no... Yeah, there's still divergence. Give us the KT. Damn, do y'all think that would have been a good buy? I mean, downtrend without hindsight. Without hindsight, I don't think that looks like a good buy. M's and W's. Bell right there. Another pattern to put in the memory bank. Some weird shaped W with it's very funny how basically every single movement actually is an MRW. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, the explanation is so fucking simple. It's like people overthink it, but it's just so simple. And I think the only way to recognize shit like this is you put it in the hours. That's the only way. That's why I don't think YouTube videos are the most powerful thing for people that get better at trading. It's like YouTube's there for people to look at what somebody's doing and then figuring out if you can implement that within your strategy and your mindset. Like, it blows me away how much shit I recognize every single day. You learn something new every day. Well, not learn, but you put the puzzle pieces together. Alright, Bob, you've been doing this for what, 15, 20 years? This will be... No, because I joined iMarkets Live in 2018 in December. And then I left them 3 months later. Yeah, I quit iMarkets Live like April, May. Didn't fuck with Forex until probably October. Didn't start streaming until January 2020. It really been fucking 2 years since I started streaming. Damn. I've been streaming for 2 fucking years live. Exactly. I'll try to find my first ever live stream right now. On a private Facebook group though. My shit was called Forex Freedom. Oh, that's crazy. I just pulled up my old... Look at this. This is the sell. I was able... This was my biggest trade at the time. $154. It was when the Corona crash literally happened. When the markets were like closed for like 12 hours. I was in that fucking sell. I was in the short on the original Corona crash. I felt like a fucking king when I hit that trade. I was like, you know what? I'm down. I'm down. Learn about these indices. Yeah, March 3rd, 2020. I was proud of this. I was proud of these $3 and $10 trades. Damn. Damn. And then when you look, I'm just...
I think about that night that I came home. You had the light shining in your eye. In the living room, your bags and clothes were everywhere. You said, let's skip town, take me anywhere. Until your lives are boring, let's you and me go.
Why the fuck am I showing, like... Showing off my dollars, yo. Okay, January 7th. January 7th, my first live. It says, okay, my account was $100. Yeah, I started streaming with just $100. Nobody watched me at that time, but I did start. People can see my actual journey.
Or images I got here on the side of my screen. But right now,
Yeah, Tyrant, I want to get back into US30 this year, or next year, I should say. If anybody's in buys, I mean, I think it's worth it to hold it up here. The open price is $16,500. Yeah, that's why I feel like Christopher Lee. NASDAQ is smoother, and US30 is your Wild West shootout. Like these, I mean, you had two amazing Kangaroo Tails out the top. This morning would have been very, very, very easy to trade US30. Had I been looking at it. Because I don't know about you, but if I see this pattern, if you guys ever see this pattern on NASDAQ, sell that shit right away. I think it's an instant sell. Divergence is at the open. Too bad for NASDAQ, there wasn't shit. Besides just that wick. This wick right here. Yeah. NASDAQ is like a midget running. US30 is like an Olympian running. Yeah, that's how it is. Shit, hopefully nobody here is a midget. They may have been offended. Like that one guy, Vernon? I don't think they call them midgets anymore. What is it? Dwarfism. Dwarfism. Or little people. Yeah, I used to watch that show too. Called like Little People or whatever. We got some channel action. I don't really trade channels, but it looks like that is a channel. I was doing some rare Forex analysis yesterday. I was looking at USDJPY on the hourly and I was thinking it was gonna drop. Next year I am gonna start doing some more Forex analysis. I know I could get some good swing trades on like 4 hour. Ever since I got that $500 in my sleep, I didn't enter another Forex trade for some reason. I was just thinking, now people are like, oh, end of December is just all a sell month. Like this one guy, I saw one YouTuber, he's like, NASDAQ was just gonna drop all month. But it didn't, it basically chop all month. And I kept hearing more people saying, oh, it's just gonna sell off, sell off. It never sold off. So, I'm coming to the conclusion, it doesn't really matter what day it is, what holiday it is. I think all that's out the fucking window. Especially when, what the hell was it? On Thanksgiving. Nobody was paying attention on Thanksgiving, and that shit tanked. Yep, context is the most important, not the pattern. I missed a couple messages. Alexander said, "How's the earnings this week?" I'm only up. What am I up? I'm only up 300 this week. I only took 4 trades this whole week. First trade, I lost $100. Next trade, I made 502, and then we lost 80 today, and then another 35. So actually 280. I'm only up 280 this week, not 300. But we need another one of these. We need another one of these $500 trades. That would put the fucking cherry on the top. Alright, y'all. I think I'm going to hop off stream now, actually. I think this is going to slowly make its way up. Let me do one last analysis, though. Check out where it is on the 1 minute. We are at resistance. But if anybody wants to hold that shit, I mean, why not hold 4 new highs up here? It could make the crazy retest. But y'all, it is breakfast time for me. Woke up so hungry. Stomach is grumbling. We will be back tomorrow morning. No more sleeping in. We're ready. We're ready for 2022. First stream for 2022 is going to be Monday. January 3rd. January 3rd. Hopefully we could start the first trade out of the year at $1,000 trade. $1,000 trade. That'll be the goal. We'll go for 10 hours. We'll risk 100, and we'll go for 10 hours. We'll go for the big swing. Musik, this is on MetaTrader 4. With the I use the broker Sage FX. I also look at TradingView, but MetaTrader 4 most of my trading. But Musik, if you just joined, I'm actually hopping off stream right now. Catch y'all tomorrow morning, 6:30 sharp. 6:30 sharp. We'll take the $108 loss today. No big deal. I just use all Bitcoin, so I just prefer Bitcoin. But if I withdraw in Bitcoin, I'll get it within a couple hours, and then from there, once you exchange it to USD, it'll take a couple days to get to your bank. But I keep most of my stuff just in straight crypto. Yep, you have a good one too, Mo Tyrant. Thanks everybody for tuning in today. Hope you got some value. Musik, if you trade NASDAQ minis or US30 minis, you can actually test out the platform with $10. $10. The margin is only like 80 cents. Check this out. For 1 micro, yeah, for 1 micro, you need 82 cents in margin. It's probably lowest in the fucking industry, honestly. 82 cents if you trade NASDAQ mini. Yes, hell, a $2 account could fucking trade NASDAQ mini. But I'm out, y'all. See y'all in the morning.